All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can go and take remote control of a person's desktop who is in Zoom with you. So in the cases, like maybe you're working a formula or you're doing something with a student and if you were in the physical setting and you would say, let me see your laptop, and you would look at their computer, then you would look at the errors or whatever you're dealing with, you'd look at their work. You need to be able to do that in the virtual setting. So to do that, we're going to solve a problem here. Matt's got this issue and he needs to show me the problem. So the first thing is to remind students, hey, you can share your desktop. So hey Matt, did you know you can share your desktop? It's really simple. All you got to do is at the bottom of this screen, you'll see a toolbar and there'll be a big green button and it says share. If you click share, by default, it's actually going to share your screen, and then go ahead and hit the blue share button and you can just share it with all of us. So let's look at the problem you're having. Okay, so Matt, if you don't mind, can you show me and run your code and show me the error you're getting? Ah, yeah, that error. Okay, perfect. So let me really quickly, Matt, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take remote control of your computer. And to do that, for the teacher side of things, what you need to do is up here at the top, you're going to see that first, before I can take remote control of someone's screen, I have to be looking at their screen. So the first thing is they need to share it. The second thing is up here at the top under view options, you'll see here that I can request remote control. Now, one thing I can also do is I can annotate. So before I take control, let's just talk about the annotate option. Annotate is that I can actually literally go in here and go, hey, this right here is your problem. Now, Matt, can you see what I just circled?
Yep.
Yeah, so that's a pretty cool feature is you can literally go, hey, you know what? This seems to be your problem. You've got a syntax error. So that's how you can annotate on top of someone's screen. But I'm going to go ahead and clear that, and I'm going to not annotate, or let's see if I can clear all. Let's clear all the drawings. And what I'm going to do is, this is interesting. I don't know how, do you still see the blue?
Yes, 1 second. I do.
It's interesting. So tell you what, I'm gonna skip out of screen share, and can you share your screen back to me one more time? I don't know why the blue marker is still there. All right, but now let's try to figure this out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you, I just showed you how to annotate. Let's actually take control. So I'm gonna actually be able to control the mouse on Matt's computer. So I'm gonna tell the student, Matt, hey, I'm about to request control. When you see a request, I'm gonna say you're about to request remote control of Matt. I can either cancel that or I can request it. So I'm gonna request it, and Matt should get a pop-up that says, hey, Clint wants to have remote control of your computer. So as soon as I do that, I should have remote control. So if you grant me control, it says right here that now I can click and start. So I'm going to tell Matt to take his hand off his mouse for a second, and I'm going to go ahead and just hit OK. And you can see now I can actually move things around on Matt's computer. And this is actually really, really helpful in the world of, like, you know, solving technical problems, things like that. So I'm going to go through here, and because I am so smart and I know Python so well, I'm going to look through here and just be able to read through it like a computer and go, oh, you know what I think your issue is? It's this right here. You just need to fix that. Let's see if that fixes your problem. Now, it says, oh, I'm going to try it again. Oh, cool. The program's running just fine. And that's exactly what we wanted it to do. So in full disclosure, I do not know Python, and I've never had an intention to learn it. So Matt is way smarter when it comes to Python. But this is just a demonstration to show you that, hey, I can take control of someone's computer, can solve their problems. And so what I'm going to do is now I'm going to exit. I'm going to stop participating, and or actually what you can do is you can give up remote control if you want, or you can stop their participants sharing. So that's a way you can quickly jump on if you're doing anything technical or you're doing anything you need to see what they're doing. Use the screen share feature. You can take control of someone's computer. You have to request it, they have to grant it, and you can annotate on top of it. So if you want to see people's work and mark on top of it, if you're doing formulas or any kind of stuff like that, not just code, that can be a really helpful feature. Hope that helps, and if there's any questions, check out the McCombs Instructional Online Wiki, and we will try to answer them there. Thanks.